Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will enter here in this window. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.